Hi guys! Meron na naman kaming Shin Ramen noodles, mixed mushrooms, tofu, sausages, and luncheon meat. Naisip namin gumawa ng kimchi jjigae. It's a Korean stew. First, syempre, kailangan tumukulo na yung tubig. Tapos, unahin natin ilagay yung luncheon meat, tsaka yung unang part ng mushrooms, and then yung kimchi. Sinunod na rin nilagay yung sausages, shiitake mushroom, at yung spring onion. Pagkatapos nilagay na rin yung seasoning packets ng Shin Ramyun at yung tofu. Then, nilagay na rin yung noodles niya at yung remaining ng shiitake mushroom. Nilagyan din namin siya ng 2 slices ng cheese pero optional lang or added flavors lang. And then, syempre yung remaining ng spring onions. So, yun lang. Tara kain tayo ng kimchi jjigae ng mga Korean. Salamat sa panonood.